This video demonstrates how you can find up to 1,000 leads for free using LinkFinder AI. It highlights the platform's ability to enrich company data and retrieve detailed employee information efficiently. First, go to the description of the video and click the first link provided. This will redirect you to the LinkFinder AI website. Click the link to https://linkfinderai.com to proceed to the platform's homepage. You will be switched to the LinkFinder AI website where you can start exploring its features. Click on Start Free Trial to create your free account and begin using the service. Once logged in, you can see your available credits, such as 4,631.5 credits, which you can use to buy more if needed. Click on Get Company Employees to start enriching company data and retrieving employee information. Choose from all levels, including founder, owner, C-suite, director, partner, and more, to filter your search. Fill in the desired employee levels such as founder, owner, C-suite, director, and partner to refine your search criteria. Click on the example number such as 25 to set the number of employees you want to retrieve. Fill in 100 as the number of employees you want to find for your search. Click on the field to enter the company domain for which you want to find employees. Fill in Tesla.com as the company domain to retrieve employee data from Tesla. Click Enrich Data to start the process of retrieving employee information for the specified company. The system found 23 employees at Tesla.com, displaying detailed information for each lead. Click on an employee, such as Fiona Chen, Director of Human Resources at Tesla, to see detailed information including title and seniority. Click the Enter Company Domain field again to start a new search for another company. Fill in Microsoft.com as the company domain to find employees at Microsoft. Click to select employee levels such as founder, owner, C-suite, director, and partner for the Microsoft search. Fill in the desired employee levels to refine your Microsoft employee search. Click on 100 to set the number of employees to retrieve for Microsoft. Fill in 250 as the number of employees you want to find for Microsoft. Click Enrich Data to begin retrieving employee information for Microsoft based on your criteria. The system found 36 employees at Microsoft.com, showing detailed information for each lead. Click on the Microsoft employee list to see detailed information for each employee found. Click History to view your past data enrichment activities and results. Click on the Tesla.com entry showing 23 results to review the employee list and enrichment details. Click Export this row to download the Tesla employee data for your records or further use. Click on the Tesla Employees List entry to see detailed information, including credits used and number of entries. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for data enrichment and integration. Click View API Docs to access detailed documentation for using LinkFinder AI's API. Click Company Enrichment to see API endpoints related to enriching company data. Click the Post Company Domain to Employees endpoint to get a filtered list of employees by department and seniority. Click the example curl command showing how to post a request to the API with authorization and data parameters. Click Department to learn how to filter employee data by specific departments like marketing or engineering. Click Filter by Seniority to see options such as Director, Manager, and C-Suite for refining employee searches. Click Employee Count to understand how to specify the number of employees to retrieve in API calls. LinkFinder AI enables you to find up to 1,000 leads for free by enriching company data and retrieving detailed employee information. You can easily create a free account, explore employee data, export results, and integrate with the API to enhance your campaigns.